My name's Damien and I'm the Managing Director here at Clarity. I wear two hats. Whilst I might be the Managing Director, I spend the majority of my time out looking after clients. Clarity are a visual safety fit-out company designing and installing safety systems and visual systems for factories and distribution centres.
For me, what makes Clarity different is the fact that we bring that safety and productivity side of it together. And so it's not just safety solutions like barriers and products that we ship out, it's actually looking at your site and seeing what makes it tick and actually making something that is really bespoke to you.
I think the mindset of Clarity in general is just keeping that constant collaboration with our clients. We keep the line open 24/7. Any questions they've got, we're there to answer them. It just means that they're up to date every step of the process and they're never left in the dark about anything.
The start of the journey of Clarity was around visual management, and in the early days a lot of the visual management was supporting a 5S journey. Anybody involved in efficiency and operational excellence within a factory or a distribution centre would understand 5S is about a tidy and efficient workplace. As it's developed and advanced, we're now starting to talk about 6S, and that's because safety has become the 6th S. Safety is so key on all sites, as we know, but can only be achieved through an efficient and organised site.
So success in every project looks different, I think, for every customer. But the main thing for me is when you don't hear anything back from them and it goes quiet. And that for me is when you know that solution you put in place on site has actually solved the problem they were looking to solve.
We also get a lot of feedback on the product. The barriers and the projectors. Projectors especially are quite new to the market, and it's often quite a big wow factor for clients. So when they see them all working perfectly, they're very, very happy, and it really it's good for us. We like to see that change on site. A lot of the time it's really good feedback from the customers as to how their site staff interact.
We want to support implementing systems, and we are ensuring that we're staying ahead of the curve by way of bringing new innovative solutions to the industry to keep our clients at the cutting edge of safety and efficiency systems for their sites. So where are we going to see Clarity in 5 years' time? We're becoming the UK's trusted design, supply and installation partner for safety and efficiency systems for factories and distribution centres. Over the next few years, what we're going to find ourselves is not only supplying systems designed for a specific project, but our next day delivery service on barriers and safety systems and visual systems is going to set us apart to be able to provide the industry what they need ahead of time.
So if anything in this video relates to any problems that you have, the first thing really to do would be to get in touch on either our contact us page or the book a meeting page on Meet the Team.
The one message that I'd probably urge people to take away from the video would be to not delay, I guess. I mean, accidents can happen anytime, anywhere, so take precautionary measures now and get in touch with us. We're there to support as a partner, as a safety advisor.